are now here in my garlic vine. Charing is so beautiful flowers, a lot of flowers in our terrace. Mag-tour sa taas sa ako ang flowers. It's totally beautiful. The smell is garlic. This is the, sabi nila gamot daw ito sa sa mga snake, para sa snake. Takot ang mga snake dito sa garlic vine. Ang amoy niya ay totally garlic. The smell is the garlic. Kaya tinatawag siya ng garlic vine plants. Ay, ito yan. Nakapalibot yan dito sa sa terrace ko. Ayun. Okay, I'll show you down also the some of my garlic. There. It's very hot. Okay, and some are climbing. They're in our trees. Lots of flowers there. I'll show you. Going. Ay. I love the flowers. Eh? This one. This very smelly. It's very smelly, is garlic. But this one is my dwarf anthurium. I love plants. That's why I'm a plantitas. Surrounded my flowers here. Lots of flowers. Because my bougainvillea here. It's a bougainvillea. Mahilig kasi ako sa mga bulaklak. Kaya ayun. Ang dami kong aalagaan ditong mga bulaklak ko. Charing. Welcome to my plants. Ayan pa sa baba ang mga bulaklak ko. And then this one is the, ayan siya, my passion fruits. Andun pa sa likod, madami pa doon. It's very hot here. So init. Later on mag-ulan na naman. Oy.